we're doing a graduated bob in this haircut. The graduated bob is going to make the hair look full, thick, and so we're going to take the very first section by taking a 45-degree section, making the hair longer at the occipital bone, shorter at the neck. Now, taking another A-line section, another 45-degree section, holding my hands in a 45-degree angle, combing them down to the previous section, which is my guide, and basically, again, cutting it longer at the occipital bone, shorter at the neck. Now I'm going to take another section. Again, now as we're getting higher up the head, I'm going to start to lift these sections a little bit to build the graduation for the graduated bob. And I'm only going to build that graduation at the occipital bone as I get closer to the ear. I'm going to hold my hands right up against the neck because I want to make that transition from graduation to one length because it is a graduated bob. So where it goes to the front of the face and where it's a bob, I need to make that transition from graduation to flow beautifully into the one length trim on the sides. So, right by the ear, I start to hold my hands right against the head. Really close, really tight, because that's where it's going to transition into the bob. By the occipital bone, I start to lift my hands so that I can build that graduation. So keep that in mind as you start to create the graduated bob shape. If you continue to keep lifting as you get to the outline, then it's not going to flow as nicely from graduation to less graduation to a one length trim on the sides. So now that I've cut the graduated bob on the right side, it is time to do the exact same thing. Not a whole lot to explain here on the left side. Basically, taking diagonal sections, holding my fingers in a 45-degree angle, lifting as I get towards the occipital bone, not lifting as I get closer to the ear. Alright, so now that the graduated bob is completed, it's now time to chip in the desired outline that I want in the neck area. So I'm just taking the points of my scissors and sketching in ever so slightly the desired outline that I'm looking for. Once I've completed the outline, I will go ahead and blow dry it, and then we will be all done. guys, we've come to the end of this graduated bob haircut. As you can see, the hair looks nice and full and thick. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments in regards to the graduation, hit me up in that comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.